Okay, conditional statements in Fortran. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements allow your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. These statements enable your program to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition is true or false. Let's start with the if statement. For example, consider a simple program that checks if a number is positive. The variable number is where the input value will be stored. It should be declared as an integer. This statement outputs a message to the console. This message will be displayed to the user. This statement reads input from the user. So finally, let's add the conditional statement. Now let's compile and run this program. If the user enters a positive integer, the program will print a message confirming that. Now what if we want to check for multiple conditions? We add else block. The syntax looks like this. Let's modify our previous example. Let's add check for negative and let's add check for 0. In this case, the program will provide feedback based on whether the number is positive, negative or 0. Let's compile it and now run it. Next, let's discuss the select case statement. This is useful when you have multiple conditions based on the same variable. We have case for each value and default case if none of the cases match. Let's write the program to check the grade. Depending on the conditions, you have different grades. Basically, the program checks the grade and prints the corresponding category. Let's compile it and run. Now, how to use logical operators in conditional statements. You have AND, OR, NOT, etc. and special syntax for this. Let's compile it.